Hey everyone, this is Anything
and Everything.
And I am Derek.
And I'm Corey.
And this is our cooking show.
Yep. So we're going to be cooking today a secret recipe.
Secret.
The reason why we're doing this recipe is because on the back of
Item store goods.
Item store goods.
Anything you buy from a store to make anything. Like, you have to get stuffing. Guess what? This stuffing box? There's a recipe on the back of it. People just ignore this stuff. Okay. Anyways, so we're gonna make this recipe in the back here. We're gonna show you how we do it. That's our cooking show. We're piggybacking off of other products' recipes. Dang.
Not really that many ingredients, I feel like.
Honestly, it's not. It's just simple and just 3-4 things thrown together, stir it up.
Stir it up.
Those are some fierce stirring skills.
So the box says that we need to wait until the stuffing is moist.
Is that moist enough? By the way, for anyone that hates moist, this is out to you. Moist.
And next. You see the instructions here? You gotta read them. Now, this does explain to you that you need to gently wash your basil and then pat it dry.
Hey everyone,
Hey.
So we're back. Got done making everything. Just pulled out of the oven. Smells awesome. Again, very simple, about 7 ingredients. I mean, it turned out awesome. It smells really good. We haven't tried it yet, but I'm guessing this thing's gonna probably taste pretty awesome.
Try some of it.
All that good stuff on it. Oh, the cheese. Just look at that. Look at that. Look at that dangly just piece of cheese there. Bon appetit. The tomato is just like right in your face, but the stuffing kind of absorbs it, and that cheese just wraps it all together. Like, that is perfect. But just so bueno.
Looks pretty cheesy on the bottom.
It does. Well, I think if you use a smaller container we use, because we use a 9x13, I think we use a smaller one. That cheese really just glues it all. That is fire. Thank you all for joining us through our first video. We finally got around to doing it. Honestly, funny enough, the first day we were going to shoot this, we ended up getting pizza. So the struggles of getting this started, we're going to try and keep rolling them out. We got a lot of stuff to work with, to do, make.
More recipes are coming. The next one, we're going to be working with fudge brownie mix. We'll show you the rest of it later.
Can't be saying that.
That's a secret.
Anyways, thanks for all watching. Hit subscribe, give us a like. Let's get us started. Love you guys.
Yes.